Types of butter. Butter can be classified based on its salt content and production method. Based on salt content, butter can be classified into salted and unsalted butter. Unsalted butter. Unsalted butter, also known as sweet butter, contains no added salt, allowing the pure, creamy flavor of the butter to shine through. It is preferred by chefs and bakers because it provides more control over the seasoning of recipes. Unsalted butter is often recommended for baking since it allows the baker to control the amount of salt in the final product. Additionally, the absence of salt makes it a suitable choice for people who are on a low-sodium diet. Salted butter. Salted butter has salt added to it during the churning process, typically up to 2% by weight. The added salt acts as a preservative, extending the shelf life of the butter. The salt enhances the flavor, making it a popular choice for spreading on bread, vegetables, and other foods. The exact amount of salt can vary between brands, so the flavor and saltiness can differ. Salted butter is not typically recommended for baking, as the salt content can interfere with the precise measurements required in recipes. Based on production methods, butter can be classified into cultured butter, sweet cream butter, whipped butter, clarified butter or ghee, and European-style butter. Cultured butter. Cultured butter is made by fermenting cream with lactic acid bacteria before churning. This fermentation process develops a tangy, complex flavor profile that is reminiscent of European-style butters. The fermentation typically lasts between 12 to 24 hours before the cream is churned into butter. Cultured butter can be both salted and unsalted, and its distinctive taste makes it a favorite for spreading on bread and incorporating into gourmet recipes. Sweet cream butter. Sweet cream butter is made from fresh, pasteurized cream and does not undergo any fermentation before churning. This type of butter is the most commonly found in the United States and has a mild, sweet flavor. It can be produced in both salted and unsalted varieties. Sweet cream butter is versatile and is used in a wide range of culinary applications, from baking to cooking to spreading. Whipped butter. Whipped butter is regular butter that has been whipped to incorporate air, resulting in a lighter, more spreadable texture. The whipping process increases the volume of the butter, making it easier to spread directly from the refrigerator. Whipped butter can be made from both salted and unsalted butter. Its light texture makes it ideal for spreading on toast, muffins, and other baked goods. Clarified butter. Clarified butter is made by melting butter and allowing the water to evaporate and the milk solids to separate. The clear, golden liquid fat that remains is then strained from the solids. Clarified butter has a higher smoke point than regular butter, making it suitable for high-heat cooking methods like sautéing and frying. Ghee, a type of clarified butter commonly used in Indian cuisine, is cooked longer to develop a nutty flavor and has an even higher smoke point. European-style butter. European-style butter is made from cultured cream and has a higher butterfat content 82 to 85% compared to standard American butter 80%. This higher fat content results in a richer flavor and creamier texture. European-style butter is typically made using traditional churning methods and may be salted or unsalted. It is favored by bakers and chefs for its superior taste and performance in recipes.